Imagine the Earth is a giant jigsaw puzzle. The pieces of the puzzle are the different continents and the fossils and rocks that are found on them. As you might have noticed, some pieces of the puzzle look similar and fit together perfectly, while others look different and don't fit together at all. This is similar to how the distribution of fossils and rocks, continental shapes, and seafloor structures provide evidence of past plate motions. For example, if you look at the puzzle pieces that make up the continents of Africa and South America, you'll notice that they look very similar. They have the same types of rocks and fossils, even though the continents are located on opposite sides of the ocean. This is because millions of years ago, these continents were part of the same puzzle piece, but over time, the puzzle piece broke apart and the continents moved to different locations. Another example is the shape of the continent's edges, like the edges of a puzzle piece. The edges of the continents have a similar shape, they are curved and have a shelf-like shape, which is called the continental shelf. This is because the continents were once part of a larger puzzle piece, and when they broke apart, they left behind the shelf-like shape. Lastly, if we look at the ocean floor, we can see different structures, like ridges, fracture zones, and trenches. These structures are like the lines on a puzzle piece, that shows how the piece was put together. The ridges are the places where new puzzle pieces are being created, while the trenches are the places where puzzle pieces are being destroyed. And the fracture zones are the places where the puzzle pieces have been broken apart. An example of evidence of past plate motions is the formation of the Appalachian Mountains. The Appalachian Mountains are a chain of mountains that runs through the eastern United States and parts of Canada. These mountains were formed over a period of hundreds of millions of years, as a result of plate tectonics. One piece of evidence for past plate motions in the formation of the Appalachian Mountains is the similarity of rock types and fossils found in the mountains, and in Scotland and Norway. This similarity suggests that these landmasses were once part of the same landmass, but were separated as the continents moved apart. So, in summary, the distribution of fossils in rocks, continental shapes, and seafloor structures all provide evidence of past plate motions. These clues all tell a story about how the puzzle pieces of the Earth have moved and changed over time.